Have I done my best here, or will I be here next year? Or are these my best years yet? Was looking forward to being important, but I'm not important yet. If you put this scene on a movie screen, is it called a happy end? If the work gets me where I'm supposed to be, will I know I've made it then? It's so hard. Can we skip to the good part?